Hello friends, this is Atiraj, and today we are going to learn how to use the SpreeCommerce third-party service manager extension developed by Vinsol. Managing different third-party services is a complex problem nowadays. With an increasing number of third-party services, the task becomes even more difficult. Don't you just want a solution that can let you add any third-party service to your SpreeCommerce store with ease and help manage multiple third-party services better? Our third-party service manager extension is the solution you just always wanted. It helps you add multiple third-party services to your store and lets you control their enable or disable at the toggle of a button. The third-party services are added from the admin backend, and you can also control at which pages on the SpreeCommerce front-end store your particular third-party service will fire. Here we have the GitHub page for Spree Third-Party Service Manager extension, which you can access by clicking the link available on our YouTube page below this video. Here you will find all of the information regarding our extension. There's also a Heroku one-click deploy button that you can use to play around with the extension. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already deployed the extension on Heroku and logged in with the admin credentials. Here we have the admin backend in front of us. You can access the admin backend by appending admin/orders to the address of your SpreeCommerce store. In this tutorial, I would like to show you two things. One, how to add intercom as a third-party service, and two, how to manage multiple third-party services on the SpreeCommerce store with the help of our extension. Now let's start with the first part of the tutorial. We go to the third-party services tab and the services sub-tab within it. Here I click on new third-party service. I enter the name, tick the enable checkbox, add the script without the script tag, and add the pages where I want intercom to fire and click on create. And we have successfully added intercom as a third-party service. Here we have the front end of the SpreeCommerce store before us. Now let's go ahead and refresh the page to see if the intercom widget is available. As you can see, the intercom widget is now available. That means that we have correctly installed the third-party service. Here we have the admin backend in front of us. Now let's start with the second part of the tutorial. For that purpose only, I've already added Google Analytics with the help of Google Tag Manager as a third-party service. Now let's go ahead and enable this. Here on the SpreeCommerce front-end store, let's go ahead and refresh the page. As you can see, a Google Tag Manager dashboard appears, and on top of that, an intercom widget appears, which is funny by the way. Let's go ahead and disable both of these services now. Now let us refresh the page of the front-end store. Both of the widgets have just disappeared. You can clearly appreciate how easy it is to manage multiple services with the help of our third-party service manager extension. Now before we end our tutorial, I would like to show you the Pages sub-tab. Here, a list of pages from default Spree are explicitly provided through our extension. If you also want to add a page from your customized Spree application where you want your particular third-party service to fire, you can add the same using the New Page button. All you have to do is add the complete path of the page from your customized Spree application and click on Create. Now, all of this information is available on the GitHub page for Spree Third-Party Service Manager extension. You can also look at some more extensions developed for SpreeCommerce at SpreeCommerce-extensions.com. You can also post your issues on the SpreeCommerce Slack, marking me at @Adiraj, that is ADHIRAJ. Thanks for watching guys, have a nice day.